Jamaicans are being urged to conserve water as prolonged drought conditions continue to place increasing pressure on the country's water resources. Minister of Water, Environment and Climate Change, Matthew Samuda, says forecasts indicate little significant rainfall over the next few weeks, making conservation critical as the back-to-school period approaches. The National Water Commission implemented water prohibition orders on August 17 in St. Mary, Portland, St. Thomas, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine and St. Anne, following weeks of daily water lock-offs. Minister Samuda's most recent statement says the government is also stepping up emergency measures, with about $86 million already spent on water trucking through members of parliament, and plans to increase that response to approximately $500 million. Priority for water deliveries will be given to hospitals, health centers, schools, and places of safety, followed by vulnerable citizens and water-scarce communities. Meanwhile, the government is accelerating infrastructure projects expected to provide relief within weeks. Longer-term projects include the Rio Cobre water treatment plant, expected to be completed in May 2027, and add about 15 million gallons of water to the Kingston, St. Andrew, Portmore, and Spanish Town corridor. Minister Samuda says the investments are aimed not only at addressing the current drought, but at improving Jamaica's long-term water security.